to screw my player over.
1 for 3 thus far. This is hit down the right field.
He really doesn't. Just like that went off the either the. Wait a minute. Wait. What the hit up there? Wait a minute. Wait. That hit off the lighting down the right field line. They hit off the lighting off the right field line. But I don't really have one right now, but I think I'm done. I don't know. It's really made more than the. I really have one, and that went off the lighting, and like. That went off the lighting. I don't even think I hit it. What the hell? Wait, where the hell? No, it didn't even go off the lighting. It hit like an invisible wall. Did it? Okay, there it is. No? Okay, there it is. Look at where it goes. Look where this ball goes. The ball goes and just. No, it doesn't even touch the lighting. It doesn't even touch the lighting. It just bounces off of nothing. There's. Look at. Look at. Look. It just bounces off of nothing. You think it hits off the leg stand, but what? It doesn't. It never touches. It doesn't touch anything. It just bounces. It just bounces off of thin air.